Hello, I'm Henry Schloster from Greycoat Software, and I'm here to tell you about a new development that's fairly exciting, we think anyway, with our new Compass release version 3.5. We're now using Microsoft BI, Microsoft's business intelligence tool, so that you can access your data in real time across your entire geography using your smartphone or a touch tablet. But rather than spend very much time talking about it, I'd rather just show you. Okay, you can see the customer delivery inquiry that yesterday we made 10 deliveries for 232 tones. And let's say I'm the operations manager. I'm particularly concerned about Green Star Construction. And I can see, scroll it sideways, that I had 4 deliveries yesterday, and that's a little bit short from what I know we need to keep up with this job. So I'm going to have a little bit closer look at this. Type in green and hit my filter. Yes, there are 4 deliveries for 90 tones. Now it helps in a case like this to be able to tilt the screen sideways. And again, we see a little more detail here. 4 deliveries for 90 tones. And I'm going to press down on this. Drill through. And those are the 4 individual tickets, and I can see a couple went out in the morning and a couple went out in the afternoon. Well, what do? Do I have an important meeting coming? Do I call the pit to see what's going on? Maybe I'll just age this for an hour. It's still first thing in the morning. Meanwhile, in the scale house, the dispatcher is well aware that they were short on shipments yesterday and they had trouble procuring trucks. Fortunately, he's got Big Tony lined up right at this moment at the scale. Ready to make a delivery. Call up, his truck has been pre-assigned to the Green Star construction job. Type in his gross vehicle weight. In our case, because we don't have a scale attached here for this demo. Print the ticket. So for purpose of the demo, I've sent the ticket into a PDF file so that we can have a look at it, and the truck is on its way. The operations manager comes out of his customer meeting, and with his delivery inquiry already honed in on this particular job, looks and sees that 2 deliveries have indeed gone out, 6 so far on this job. Put the phone in a horizontal position and we can see that 61 tones have gone out on 2 tickets. So 2 more deliveries have gone out this morning. Using the drill down, we can see that they went out at 10:55 and another truck at 10:57. Let's just look at a couple of other ways in which this specific inquiry tool can be used into deliveries. It was capable of handling multiple years of tickets in the cloud quite easily and with very good response time. So we can take a job that we've been running for some time and see how we're doing, as in this query, what we've been doing this month, or job to date, or even looking back at all time and going down at a summary level by day the number of tickets and tons that we delivered, and on any day delivering down to individual tickets. This illustration is intended to show how Compass version 3.5 with Microsoft BI Business Intelligence is a game changer within our business, within construction materials and hardscaping materials, because we're widespread across geography in these businesses, and now you'll be able to focus on key activities like landing new sales or directing operations or strategizing, and be able to monitor just using data in real time without having to intervene and interrupt people who are task focused. So we think, again, that it'll be a game changer and leverage management capability within your businesses. Here are some additional details on obtaining this functionality for your business. Microsoft Power BI itself is licensed directly from Microsoft on a per user basis, and we feel that the monthly fee they charge is quite reasonable for what you get. But please contact us for further information and to discuss implementation considerations. The delivery inquiry that we've demonstrated, as well as additional dashboard capability, is available at no additional licensing charge to all our customers who are on our software maintenance plan and have previously purchased the Compass Dashboard module. Of course, you could still add the Compass Dashboard module if you have a Compass facility that does not have it. And we're going to be adding additional displays to Power BI after this version 1 release. This is just the start. Now, some of our Compass Dashboard clients have a nightly KPI distribution email, KPI being key process indicators, that we've set up for them. Those KPIs can be moved to Power BI and then would be available in real time. And we can also assist clients in providing real-time access through Power BI to corporate data that is outside of Compass per se. There's some labor involved in some of these steps and also in setup, and we can provide a quotation for anything that you would ask us to do. We'd be happy just to discuss the capability with you in more detail. And contact information and details are provided in the newsletter accompanying this video.